Hi guys!
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog!
Malapit na kami sumuko.
Malapit na kami sa summit, so just sit back, watch,
And relax.
Woo! Diba? Ginusto nyo to? So, panindigan nyo. We're here now at Mountain Daraitan. We will going to hike in the summit. And we will almost there. Just a little bit
Longer.
and we will see the sea of clouds. And we
Hindi
will
makikita.
take some pictures. And we do unwind. And what else? What's we gonna do?
Give me the dessert.
What's we gonna do? What's we gonna do with
Give me the dessert.
Ay, huwag may po-post yan siya na.
Ipopost ko to, be. Ano pang silbi kung nag-video ako kung hindi ko i-post? Look at that view. Charing.
Look at this view. It's a lot of a salt rock, you know.
Salt rock.
Yeah, this.
My salt be.
A salt. This is a salt. Look at this. It's a big, big rock. You know?
Yun na yung kasama namin nandun sa taas.
Nararamdaman ko na. It's almost there. And this is our hingal. I believe I lost 2 kilos for today's videos. And you lose
Lose
5 kilos.
for today's video. Whew. Look at that rock. Rock steady. Rock. It's so matulis. Ayun na nga po, iniman na kami ng tour guide namin. Pero parang malapit na kami, guys. Tingnan nyo. Charan!
Charan! Oh! The Mount Daraitan Summit! Welcome to Mount Daraitan! I can see it! There! Woo! We're almost there! Woo! Woo! Finally!
Finally!
Finally! Yes!
Cellphone mo.
Akin yung cellphone mo.
Ay, pangit to eh.
So let's take some picture here. Diba ito nga yung gusto natin. Picture tayo kuya?
Oo.
Tayo. Ah, yung araw-araw na. May sea of clouds pa kaya?
Sea of sun.
Sea of sun. Ah, here. Dito ka, B.
Dito pala yun.
B. Tayo na. Lahatan na tayo.
We're here.
We're here, Philippines. Ah, yan na pala yun. Hoy, maulog ka.
Akala ko malaking bato.